projects we commenced at the Kenneth Kaunda International Airport and here at the new Simon Mosaka Pwepo International Airport are pivotal in facilitating the country's tourism and industrialization agenda. My government is fully committed to driving the country's development agenda and harnessing the country's economic potential.
We have set up 9 construction departments, create 800 jobs. In the busiest time, the local employee reached up to 2,700. We have cooperated with 60 local subcontractors. The total sub amount is more than $21.4 million. Local material procurement is around 100 million kwacha, which strongly support local industries.